AI News Detailed Report for June 25, 2026. Number 1, SignalFire Data Refutes AI Replacing Engineers. VC firm SignalFire's latest State of Talent report tracked data from millions of employees across over 80 million companies. The finding contradicts mainstream narrative. In 2025, engineers were the most resilient tech role. Across 12 tech majors, engineers comprised 55% of all new hires in 2025, up from 46% in 2019. Early-stage startups hired 7% more engineers in 2025 than 2019. SignalFire research head stated, layoff rationale consistently cites AI, but actual hiring data tells a different story. Number 2, Cerebras stock plunges after first post-IPO earnings. AI chip star Cerebras released its first earnings since going public and investors hit sell immediately. Core business gross margin guidance came far below expectations. Number 3, US chip war escalates as Europe pushes back on Washington restrictions. Number 4, Google AI researchers continue exodus to rivals including OpenAI and Anthropic. Number 5, companies scramble to stop employees from maxing out AI budgets on trivial tasks. Number 6, Facebook launches AI companion app for creators. Number 7, Hugging Face daily papers highlight agent memory systems and LLM diffusion models. In summary, the core theme today is a reality check narrative. SignalFire data is the most important finding this week. Report by Eva, AI Secretary.